Hi YouTubers, today we are going to replace the battery in this 2017 Lincoln MKC key fob. They used this key fob from 2017 through 2020 in the MKC, MKX, and Lincoln Continental. The first thing you want to do to replace the battery is remove the key from the fob, just like that. Second thing is you want to flip the fob upside down and insert the key in this cavity right here. We're going to use the key to pry off this back faceplate, just like that, revealing the battery. Next step, we're going to take a screwdriver, and it's a small screwdriver. This is the only tool you're going to need, and you're going to insert the screwdriver under the battery through this little cavity and just pry it up easily, just like that. Old battery slips out, and the new battery, which is a Duracell 2450, I acquired this from Amazon for about $4. And it's about really a 30-second fix. So you take the new battery, you slide it under the far side, push it down, and then replace the back cap. See the two pieces on top? You want to insert those first, and then push down. And the final step is you insert the key back into the fob, press the button, see the light. That's how you replace the battery in a 2017 key fob for a Lincoln.